Most people get Reddit wrong by assuming you can't easily see all the posts you've uploaded, but there's a simple way to access them on your PC. Today, I'll show you exactly how to see your uploaded posts so you never lose track of content you liked. First, log into your Reddit account on your PC. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. This takes you to your user profile where you can see posts and comments you made. Most people stop here and think upvotes aren't visible, but there's a hidden filter you need to apply. Next, look for the Upvoted tab, which is usually next to posts and comments. Click it, and Reddit will display all the posts you've uploaded. You can scroll through them chronologically or use the search bar to find specific content. Most people get this wrong because they try to find uploaded posts in the mobile app interface or assume they are mixed in with posts you've made. A tip: if you've uploaded posts in private or on certain subreddits with restricted views, you may need to visit those subreddits directly to see your interaction history. But in general, the Uploaded tab gives a complete list for easy reference. In conclusion, seeing your uploaded posts on Reddit for PC is simple once you know where to look. Log in, open your profile, and click Uploaded. It's a small trick, but it makes revisiting content or curating inspiration much easier. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks to make your browsing experience smarter and faster.